Okay, this is Boff. He is a Maltipoo and he's my little puppy, and he's going to join me to become the best fishing buddy ever. And he's really interested in my microphone. We'll see if I can keep him off the microphone. He has probably lots to say. No, don't take the microphone. You are so naughty. We are going down to start fishing for mackerel, and we need about 5 to 7 big mackerels so that we can fill up the lobster pods when we get to October month. So we will put the fish in the freezer and make sure that we have enough, so we are ready for lobster season. So join me and Boff fishing for mackerel. Okay, we are off. We are going to catch some mackerel, and I have my puppy with me. He's going to be a fishing buddy, and there he is. He's coming. Are you coming, Boff? Yeah, just peeing a little bit first. And of course, I've got my equipment. I will tell you a bit about it when I come down to where I'm going to fish. So, we're in Lillesand. It's the southern part of Norway. And I will turn the camera for you to see. Okay, we have to get some mackerel today. I'll give you the view in about a second or two. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Oh, I can already see the fish. The fishes are here. I have to go down to get my fishing rod. Are you ready, Boff? Yes, you are. So here we are. This is my rod collection now. Vintage stuff, and of course my water skis. So I think, which one? This one. The two others are a bit too heavy for me, so I think this is the one I'm choosing. And okay, look, no hook. I have to make sure I have a hook. So we have to tie in the famous bitch knot. I'll show you, or granny knot, if that's the way to call it in English. Oh.
Knip fast selen og øye på svivelen mellom tommel og pekefinger. Surr tampen, altså den korte enden av selen, 4 til 5 ganger rundt hovedselen.
This is too hard.
Som altså den delen av selen som går til fiskested.
What? No.
Før senetampen tilbake.
I can't do this.
Og gjennom den lille løkka ved øyet på svivelen.
What?
Stram forsiktig til mens du holder i senetampen.
I need some help.
Fukte knuten før.
Where's the... It's not here. Where is it? The hard thing is that I can't see if it's my hair or if it's the fishing line. Okay. And I forgot my glasses. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Then it's then we'll do the beach knot. I should have learned this on YouTube before I came down here, because I knew I had to put on a new hook, but of course I didn't. And then I'm here again tying up my fish hook with this lousy knot that will probably break, but that's okay. Oh, I almost said some bad words, but I didn't. Okay. I try not to. And around and around and back into a loop. Maybe. Okay. It's the most crazy knot ever. Okay, this is the famous bitch knot. But I will catch some fish today. And if I get some fish, I have a problem because I only wear white today, and then it won't be white when I get back to the cabin. The hook is a little bit too light. I can see some seagulls. That's a good sign. Hiya, Boff. Hi. Boff? My dog is gone. Där var du. Där var du. Okay, I think I have a fish. Fish or jellyfish. Fish or jellyfish or the bottom. We'll see. I think it's a small. Yes. It's a small mackerel, and it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Oh, and then I have a rusty tongue. Yes. and a rusty knife. And I will kill it. Yes! Yes! And where there is one, there's probably more. So we just have to get the hook out. Kom on, Boffin! Där var du! Där var du! Åh! Huh? Okay. Didn't plan to do that, but some bloopers are always. So this is my face when I realized my hook is inside a massive bush. Oh, I can see the fishes. Yes! Yes! Boof! We got a fish! Okay. I hope my knot survives this fish. I think it's a mackerel. I think it's a mackerel. Yes. Yes, it is a mackerel. Oh, it's blood everywhere. Yeah. But we need more. Yes. Boof, we need more. Oh, I can see the fish. It's chasing. I don't know what it's called in English. Sluk in Norwegian. It's a little bit exciting because I have vertigo and I'm getting somewhat very dizzy when I'm standing here. So just trying not to fall in. There are some jellyfish, and sometimes I think that I have gotten something on my hook and then it's just some jellyfish. Let me see what you are. Jag tror det är en sei. I think it's, I'm not sure what it's called in English, but I think it's a sei in Norwegian. It wasn't as feisty, didn't give that much of a fight. The mackerel is pretty fun to get because they are fighters. Kom her, da. Ja. Boff, he is running away. There you are. All over there. Oh, maybe he wants to catch the fish himself. He's falling in someday. He's going to fall. Oh, he fell in. Okay. I have to help my dog. Oh, gikk det bra? Gikk det bra? He's probably a little bit embarrassed. You're okay. I got you on tape. Maybe I have to zoom in, but I got you on tape. And then I'll see if I got the fish as well. You are so funny. You are so funny. Yes, you are. Now you're wet and funny. You are so funny. Blir du våt? Blir du våt? You silly dog. You are so silly. Yes, you are so silly. Oh, I hear the fishing. Yes. Yes. I got one. So just have to make sure that Boff is not... Oh, this is a feisty one. It's a mackerel. It's a mackerel. Yeah. Oh, it's a bloodbath here. Yes. We need more. The seagulls are back. Oh, yes, got one. I got one. I got one. Or did I? Maybe I lost one. Oh, it's just a small one. Oh my god. Oh, he's a feisty one. I'm full of blood and my white t-shirt ain't so white anymore and my dog is gone. Boff! Kom! Kom! Vi kan ikke gå hjem nå. We can't go home now. There's fish here. Oh, get one more. Don't die, battery, please. Oh, oh, this is a good one. it's a better size. It's a good size on this one. Come on, Boff. My bitch knot didn't work. It broke. It broke. It broke. Hi, Boff. Hi, Boff. Hi. Yes. Smell it. It's mackerel. It's mackerel. Yes, it's mackerel. All bloody. All bloody. Yes. Hi, Boff. Oh, look at this. And now I should have taken the time to find a solution for the knot situation. But if I maybe I'll get known on the internet for the angler lady who can't tie a fishing knot. That's okay. That's just fun. Okay. I need some more line here. Then I'm all bloody. So at least nobody is believing that I am an expert. So I don't know what I'm talking about. But even though I don't know what I'm talking about, I get fish. So today I've gotten 6 fishes. Yes. Even though I can't tie a knot. I can't even tie a fishing knot. And I still get fish. So for you other amateurs out there who thinks that, oh, I can't go fishing because I can't tie a knot, no problem. You just tie a granny knot. I think that's what they call it in English. A granny knot. Yeah. I'm going to stink mackerel today. And while I'm tying this bitch knot, granny knot, I can hear the fish in the water, jumping out the water, and I feel like I can't stay here tying stupid knots. No problem. I can tie my stupid knots and I still get fish. Okay. And Boff, my dog, he's really becoming a great companion, fisher, angler lady companion. This is my fishing knot face. Okay, extra double knot, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, Boff. I did it. Oh. Yeah. Oof. Yes, I think the battery died while I caught the biggest one. The biggest one. Yes, have a look. That's a great one. And while I were changing the battery on the camera, I saw that Here's how you make a knot. So should I read this? No. No, of course not. Or maybe I should. Maybe I should. What do you think? Boff. And this line nightmare here. Ugh. Okay, don't throw that into the ocean. And I need mosquito bug repellent. The mosquitoes has come because the sun is soon setting. Okay, this must do. Okay, and my dog is really cold. He is actually shivering, so 2 more throws and then I have to go. So that'll be 2 more mackerels. Yeah. Okay, I'm finished. We are finished. We have caught a lot of fish. I think it was 7. Maybe I'll count them when I get up to the cabin. But let's have a look now. Yay! Look at them. Beautiful mackerel. And look at you, you are shivering. Yes, we are going into the cabin. Yes, you are going into the cabin. Up. Okay, so we are back at the cabin, and I told you that these mackerels is going to become lobsters in the fall, in October. So we don't have to fillet them or anything, but we have to chop them up, and then they go into the freezer. So we are going to chop them up. I have a helper. Come here, Puff. Yeah. Okay, and then I have these poop bags. Those are yakka. Yeah. He's my helper. Ash. So put them into the poop bags. I think approximately 2 small fish in one poop bag. And then I'll tie it up. Yes, and my lovely, lovely white sweater will probably get stained and everything will smell like mackerel. Hi. Pretty yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Bloody hands. Yes. Boff is a little bit curious about the bloody fish. Ugh. Look at that. Ugh. Yes, look at that. I have to carry the camera when I've done all this messy work, so I'll try to use the voice command. GoPro, stop capturing. GoPro, stop capture.
Hey, it's me, Boff. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Trust me, it's gonna be fluffy, fun, and totally worth it.